Locations are where your material items or stock is stored. These might be distribution centres, warehouses, retail stores, or something else. Locations can be found under the Materials section of Global Settings. Click New Location to add another one. Let's name this location Sydney Business Park. It's going to be our Australian distribution centre, so I'll put that in the description. Give it a code to make it easy to identify and hit Save. If we go back into Material Items, you can see that Sydney Business Park is now available to select as a location. Later, you'll also be able to transfer stock between locations.